Welcome to Fluent English Speaking. Choose the correct synonym of the highlighted word. The professor gave a concise summary of the theory. A. Confusing. B. Brief. C. Detailed. D. Vague.
Concise means giving much information clearly in a few words. Synonym of concise is B. Brief.
The CEO's response was ambiguous, leaving everyone uncertain. A. Clear. B. Honest. C. Vague. D. Harsh.
Ambiguous means having more than one meaning or being unclear. Synonym of ambiguous is C. Vague.
The manager tried to alleviate the team's stress with encouraging words. A. Increase. B. Ignore. C. Reduce. D. Dismiss.
Alleviate means to reduce or ease something, like pain or stress. Synonym of alleviate is C. Reduce.
The findings were so profound that they changed the field of study. A. Shallow. B. Minor. C. Deep. D. Unclear.
Profound means very deep, intense, or significant. Synonym of profound is C. Deep.
Her dedication to research is truly commendable. A. Foolish. B. Admirable. C. Ordinary. D. Forgettable.
Commendable means worthy of praise or admiration. Synonym of commendable is B. Admirable.
The proposal was rejected due to insufficient evidence. A. Accepted. B. Denied. C. Reviewed. D. Delayed.
Rejected and denied both mean to refuse approval or agreement. Synonym of rejected is B. Denied.
The teacher encouraged collaborative learning in the classroom. A. Individual. B. Shared. C. Passive. D. Competitive.
Collaborative refers to working together. Synonym of collaborative is B. Shared.
The results were consistent with previous research. A. Stable. B. Irregular. C. Conflicting. D. Uncertain.
Consistent means showing regularity or agreement. Synonym of consistent is A. Stable.
The policy aims to foster innovation in the tech sector. A. Block. B. Discourage. C. Promote. D. Control.
Foster means to support the growth or development of something. Synonym of foster is C. Promote.
The evidence was compelling, leaving no room for doubt. A. Weak. B. Convincing. C. Accidental. D. Fake.
Compelling means very convincing or persuasive. Synonym of compelling is B. Convincing.
The speaker used very eloquent language to inspire the audience. A. Silent. B. Persuasive. C. Boring. D. Rude.
Eloquent means fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Synonym of eloquent is B. Persuasive.
The scientist's approach was innovative and led to new discoveries. A. Traditional. B. Boring. C. Creative. D. Cautious.
Innovative means introducing new ideas or methods. Synonym of innovative is C. Creative.
The government issued a ban on harmful pesticides. A. Restriction. B. Approval. C. Allowance. D. Expansion.
Ban means an official or legal prohibition. Synonym of ban is A. Restriction.
His explanation was lucid and easy to understand. A. Vague. B. Confusing. C. Clear. D. Abstract.
Lucid means expressed clearly or easy to understand. Synonym of lucid is C. Clear.
She made a notable contribution to the project. A. Minor. B. Remarkable. C. Irrelevant. D. Casual.
Notable means worthy of attention or noteworthy. Synonym of notable is B. Remarkable.
His tone was hostile during the debate. A. Aggressive. B. Friendly. C. Neutral. D. Polite.
Hostile means unfriendly or antagonistic. Synonym of hostile is A. Aggressive.
The plan was feasible with the current resources. A. Impossible. B. Expensive. C. Practical. D. Dangerous.
Feasible means possible to do easily or conveniently. Synonym of feasible is C. Practical.
Her meticulous notes helped everyone study better. A. Careless. B. Detailed. C. Vague. D. Short.
Meticulous means showing great attention to detail. Synonym of meticulous is B. Detailed.
He gave an authentic account of the incident. A. False. B. Genuine. C. Edited. D. Unclear.
Authentic means real or genuine. Synonym of authentic is B. Genuine.
The lecture was tedious and put many students to sleep. A. Exciting. B. Boring. C. Funny. D. Fast.
Tedious means too long, slow, or dull. Synonym of tedious is B. Boring.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing to boost your English fluency. See you in the next quiz.